Alright, we are in McComb, Mississippi. There's Steam Train Sarah, still alive. The only info I have on this train is it just says 1951 Paduca. And
482.
so, well, it's a 482 according to Sarah. Hey, there's a plaque on the ground. 482. Yeah, she's right. It's an Illinois Central, and it is massive.
Very difficult to read.
So I don't know if it's an Alco or a Baldwin or a what, because it doesn't say on the website, so maybe they don't know. 2542?
1921 in Lima, Ohio. So it's probably a Lima.
Okay, it's a 1921 Lima then. And it is huge.
42, the wheel arrangement was reconfigured from 210-2 to the 482.
Okay, so it was one of those that was altered.
Yep.
If I remember right, in Centralia, Illinois, we had another one of these Illinois Centrals that had been reconfigured, and it was hard to figure out what it was or where it was from.
This locomotive is one of only two surviving 2500 class Paduca rebuilds.
It's a
Why it's called
okay,
Paduca.
so it was rebuilt.
There, probably.
It's a Paduca rebuild, and
Paduca sand dome atop the boiler and its sister locomotive number 2500 presently resides in Centralia, Illinois.
okay, sister trains in Centralia. Okay, I'll put a link to that video down here too.
Largest.
We've been there. Yeah, I was gonna say, stand over next to it, Sarah. Look at that. It's massive.
6 feet tall. Anybody who's wondering.
Sarah's 4'3".
4'10" and a half. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
It didn't look this big from up the hill there.
Those things huge.
Yeah. So something has access down there. It's not the then again, spider monkey time.
I can't get in, but I want to keep.
Has it got a grill up there?
Yeah. Both sides.
All right. Now we're down here in McComb, Mississippi. This looks like an Amtrak station, but it looks closed. So I don't know if it's just closed or it's being refurbished or what. And supposedly there's a railroad museum here too. See, yeah. Look how massive that thing is. Strictly enforced 6 to 10. Oh, the rail cars. Okay. Yeah, you can come over here a little bit, but I can't go too far, so the massive. And there's the live trail out there. So this is about as far as I can get. I might be better off taking pictures of the top of the hill up there.
Can you imagine working this thing?
Can't imagine climbing up into this thing.
Well, it's not that hard.
Not for spider monkeys. Okay. All right.
Considering
So
spider monkey short.
So it was an original Lima that was rebuilt.
That's what it sounds like.
Okay, got it. I'll take a picture of that plaque and see if it comes out better when I tweak it. All right, well, I'm gonna stop here and take pictures then, guys. This thing is massive.